In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design great buttons in Figma UI design. Start by opening your design and navigating to the frame or artboard where your button will live. Create a text layer with your button label. Something short and action-focused works best. With that text selected, press Shift+A to wrap it in an auto layout frame. Auto layout is the secret to consistent buttons. It handles padding, alignment, and automatic resizing as your label changes, so you never have to manually tweak the frame. With the frame selected, set both horizontal and vertical resizing to hug contents in the right sidebar. This ensures the button expands or contracts exactly to fit its text, avoiding awkward empty space or cramped labels. Next, make sure the content is centered. In the auto layout settings, set alignment to center horizontally and vertically. Because this frame only contains one text layer, you can keep the spacing between items at 0. The padding will do the visual heavy lifting. Now let's establish proper sizing and spacing. A clean rule of thumb is the 2:1 ratio for padding. Make the horizontal padding double the vertical. For example, try 12 pixels vertically and 24 pixels horizontally. This ratio balances the button's proportions and keeps it comfortable and readable. Adjust the exact values to match your type size, but hold on to that 2:1 relationship to maintain visual harmony. Choose a corner radius that supports your brand's tone. Rounded corners around 4 to 8 pixels often feel modern and friendly, while sharp corners feel more structured and professional. Keep it consistent across all your buttons for a cohesive system. Apply a solid high-contrast fill color. Pair it with a text color that's clearly legible: light text on a dark fill or dark text on a light fill. High contrast is key for accessibility and clarity. You can skip the stroke to keep the button clean and bold. Turn this button into a reusable system by creating component variants for different states. Convert the button to a component, then add variants for default. Hover, click, and disabled. Keep hover as a subtle color shift. Slightly lighter works well. For click, darken the color a bit, or add a very soft inset shadow to suggest depth. For disabled, reduce opacity and mute the contrast so it reads as inactive. Without competing for attention, name your variants clearly so you can swap states quickly as you design. That's it. Thanks for watching.